history being so long, time being so short, we are here where we are.
We are also very proud to say today that we are the second foundry globally to be approved for dense defect-free components going into the wind energy sector.
Vijay Spheroidals has a specific mission of producing an high-density parts which are mechanically sound in the casting conditions.
Today we are very proud to launch our brand called CENTRI-BAR. So what is CENTRI-BAR all about? Basically it is dense defect-free components made using vertical centrifugal casting process for extremely critical applications. When I say extremely critical applications, you can see our products over here, such as pitch manifolds and brake manifolds for windmills, manifolds for the aerospace industry, and manifolds for machine applications such as plastic injection molding machines as well as die casting machines, where utilization of the machine has to be extremely high. So they have to rely on extremely reliable components such as CENTRI-BAR.
It started by my father as a proprietor 35 years ago, and he has been the prime reason for me to take it over from him because he is a proud innovator. So we are called the Spinning Innovation Company because technology which came in through his innovation. We started as a horizontal centrifugal casting company, and today we are vertical centrifugal casting company, which is his sole innovation, which made me proud to take it over from him.
We at Vijay Spheroidals produce castings which are solid in nature, which has a very homogeneous property across the bar, which answers mechanical properties inside the casting. In the casting, shrinkage, porosities are very common in other processes like sand casting and other things. Centrifugal castings gives that advantage to our customers where they are able to reduce the sizes of their castings.
I really want to introduce my team, which is energetic. We have metallurgists, we have salespeople, we have every young person in the team who's doing a great job to take it forward as Vijay Spheroidals company for the future.
We as an organization have diversity in our company. We have women who are metallurgists who are working in our company. More than 7 metallurgists who are every day involved in product development as well as process development. That is a unique factor.